Aloha class, this is Brother Castillo. Hope everyone had a great first week of school and that you're adjusting to the new semester. This is this week's screencast to cover Lesson 2, Leadership Style and Trust. As far as an agenda, I wanted to do a Lesson 1 recap, objectives for Lesson 2, assignments due for Lesson 2, quickly talk about the group sign-up instructions, and a final thought. As far as the Lesson 1 recap, hopefully you're able to build relationships with your class members, that you're comfortable interacting online, and especially with the icebreaker, you got to know each other. And also being comfortable communicating in an online environment. Again, also as a reminder, just really to stay on top of your assignments. As this is an online class, there's a fair amount of assignments due throughout the week, so get into the rhythm of the class and plan accordingly. Lesson 2 objectives, we're going to examine leadership styles and understand how effective leadership is implemented, and then examine the pros and cons of trust within an organization and their partners. Now the assignments that are due this week, so this Tuesday, your accountability project proposal is due, your case reading, the Ricardo Semler Revolutionary Model of Leadership Instructions is due. So complete your readings in the 7 Habits book, pages 54 to 101. And then finally, for the first half of the week, the group sign up. And I will get more into the instructions in the next slide. Now due by Monday will be your case study discussion. And as opposed to what you'll be doing in future weeks with your group meetings, make sure you follow instructions because there's 6 questions you need to answer, and these questions you need to post to the Lesson 2 case study discussion board. You'll also need to participate in the reading discussion board regarding your 7 habits reading, so get to this early. I suggest starting it on Wednesday. And then finally, the Lesson 2 self-assessment. Now regarding the group sign-up, as you know, everyone needs to sign up for a group. So I'm asking you to please ignore the Lesson 2 instructions to sign up because there's a problem with it. I will be sending an announcement Monday morning with a link to the sign-up sheet, which is a Google document. So just a reminder to look for that on Monday. As a final thought from our beloved past president, President Thomas S. Monson, one of my favorite quotes, "Never let a problem to be solved become more important than a person to be loved." Obviously, especially in this class and in the business world, we're often, or even in church or different situations, we're trying to solve problems. But as President Monson so eloquently instructed us, that it really always be about the person and not just the problem. Okay. Well, it's great to be with you. I'll see you online. Take care. Bye-bye.